The entire story of Greek mythology explained in 10 minutes. Ever wondered where words like narcissism or echo come from? Prepare to journey back to ancient Greece, where gods and monsters roamed, heroes rose and fell, and the very fabric of Western civilization was woven. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the entire story of Greek mythology in just 10 minutes. Before there was earth, before there was sky, there was only chaos. A formless, empty void, a swirling nothingness from which everything would eventually spring. Imagine a canvas completely blank, waiting for the first brushstroke of creation. From this primordial soup, the first beings emerged. Gaia, the earth, solid and nurturing. Tartarus, the dark abyss below, the ultimate prison. And Eros, the irresistible force of love, the catalyst for all creation. Gaia, the earth, then brought forth Uranus, the sky. He became her husband, and their union birthed the Titans, a race of powerful primordial beings. These were the first gods, ruling the cosmos with immense strength and influence. Among the Titans, Cronus and Rhea stand out. Cronus, the youngest, overthrew his father Uranus, becoming the king of the Titans. This act of rebellion set the stage for the next great cosmic conflict. Cronus, fearing a prophecy that one of his own children would overthrow him, devoured each of them at birth. A truly horrifying act of paranoia and power. Imagine the despair of Rhea, forced to watch her children disappear into the belly of her husband. But Rhea, desperate to save her youngest child, tricked Cronus. She hid Zeus in a cave on the island of Crete, presenting Cronus with a stone wrapped in swaddling clothes, which he promptly swallowed. Zeus was safe, and the prophecy was about to unfold. Zeus, raised in secret, eventually returned to challenge his father. He freed his siblings from Cronus's stomach, and together they waged war against the Titans. This was the Titanomachy, a brutal 10-year conflict that shook the very foundations of the cosmos. After a decade of relentless fighting, the Olympians, led by Zeus, finally triumphed. The Titans were imprisoned in Tartarus, the abyss below, their reign of terror brought to an end. A new era had begun. The Olympians established their dominion from Mount Olympus, a majestic peak shrouded in clouds. From here, they ruled over the world, each with their own domain and responsibilities. They were powerful, immortal, and deeply flawed. Zeus, the king of the gods, ruled the sky and wielded the thunderbolt. Poseidon commanded the seas, stirring up storms and calming the waves. Hades reigned over the underworld, the realm of the dead. Hera, Zeus's wife and queen, was the goddess of marriage, often jealous and vengeful. Demeter oversaw agriculture, ensuring the bounty of the harvest. Hestia guarded the hearth, the symbol of home and family. Athena, the goddess of wisdom and warfare, was known for her strategic brilliance. Apollo, the god of music, light, and prophecy, inspired artists and seers. Artemis, the goddess of the hunt and the moon, roamed the wilderness. Ares, the god of war, reveled in bloodshed and conflict. Aphrodite, the goddess of love and beauty, captivated hearts and stirred desires. Hephaestus, the god of the forge, crafted magnificent weapons and objects. Hermes, the messenger of the gods, flitted between Olympus and the mortal world. Dionysus, the god of wine and revelry, brought joy and ecstasy, but also chaos and madness. These were the Olympians, a pantheon of immense power and complex personalities. Despite their divine status, the Olympians were far from perfect. They were prone to jealousy, lust, and petty squabbles. They often interfered in the lives of mortals, sometimes helping, sometimes hindering, always leaving their mark. In the world of Greek mythology, heroes were often caught in the crossfire of the gods' schemes. They were mortals, but possessed extraordinary strength, courage, or cunning. Their stories are filled with trials, tribulations, and triumphs. Hercules, also known as Hercules, was famed for his 12 labors, impossible tasks assigned to him as penance for a terrible crime. Odysseus, the cunning king of Ithaca, endured a 10-year journey home after the Trojan War, facing monsters and temptations along the way. Perseus, with the help of the gods, slew the Gorgon Medusa, whose gaze could turn men to stone. Through these heroic journeys, Greek mythology explores themes of courage, resilience, and the consequences of hubris. The hero's struggles reflect the human condition, our capacity for both greatness and folly. They remind us that even in the face of overwhelming odds, the human spirit can endure. The Greeks had many myths about the creation of humanity, often involving the Titans or the gods. One of the most famous is the story of Prometheus, who defied Zeus by giving fire to mankind. Fire represented knowledge, progress, and civilization. For his act of defiance, Prometheus was punished eternally. He was chained to a rock where an eagle would devour his liver each day, only for it to regenerate overnight. A symbol of the eternal struggle between freedom and authority. Another important myth is that of Pandora's jar, often mistakenly called Pandora's box. Pandora, the first woman, was given a jar containing all the evils of the world. Driven by curiosity, she opened the jar, releasing these evils upon humanity. Only hope remained trapped inside. This myth highlights the complexities of human nature, our curiosity, our capacity for both good and evil, and the enduring presence of hope even in the darkest of times. Greek mythology is more than just a collection of stories. It's a reflection of ancient Greek values, beliefs, and fears. It explores universal themes of power, love, loss, and the enduring human spirit. These myths have shaped Western art, literature, and philosophy for centuries. They continue to inspire and entertain us today. From movies and books to video games and everyday language, the influence of Greek mythology is undeniable. Ready to dive deeper into this fascinating world? Like this video, subscribe to our channel for more mythology deep dives, and tell us in the comments which Greek myth is your favorite. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who love mythology too.